Next, we're going to fit our plinth and our end panels and then our worktop. So the first thing we're going to want to do is pre-drill some holes in the integrated plinths so that when we come to screw the plinth on, they're ready for us. There's no science behind it. We're going to put one towards the end. We're going to put one here, one in the middle, and one on this end. Offer it up and get it flush on both ends. Take our 30mm screws again, the slightly longer ones. You can always put more or less screws in if required. Then we're going to take our end panels, put them against the side. And we're going to go back to drilling 4mm holes through the side of the cabinet, not into the end panel. Again, I like to do the four corners. Going to take the clamps. And we're going to make sure that we cover the plinth at the front so you don't have the raw edge on show. And I always like to make it very, very slightly more forward. Now we're too low here, so we're going to lift that a little. And we'll do the same on the other side. Next we're going to bring in the worktop, check, make sure if it has a better side, that that's the side on show. And we are looking to line it up on both ends. Take your time just to get that bit perfect, and then exactly the same as every other panel, take your 4mm drill bit, pop some holes in. We're going to do the same as the plinth, at the front and back at the end, both ends, and then in the middle of here. You can drill these holes before you put the top on if you want, where you've got better access because you can do it from the top. Is the basics of the cabinets now built. So now that we've screwed everything together, we can put the bottom in, we can put the shelves in, we can put the front plate on, the fireplace in, and the doors on. So we'll start by taking the shelves, we won't do the bottom. We'll take the bottom first because we've got better access, make sure no dust. And the bottom is as simple as slide in, push down, bottom fitted. Shelf exactly the same, slide in, push down. Units now complete, doors to go on and fireplace to go in.